Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Just got off. We supposed to be getting some bad weather here. Now, these folks left that darn buggy. That lady got in that got in her car. Instead of her pushing the buggy back in, you're parked right there at the door. She left that buggy. I'm sitting here watching now. She left that buggy sitting beside that car while that buggy rolled and hit that other person's car. Yeah. See, that's the nonsense I be talking about, because I done had that to happen to me years ago. Went in the grocery store, came out the grocery store, and somebody seen them, and I went to get in my car, had a big dent on the driver's side. And the man told me, he was like, that lady pushed that shopping cart up there, and it rolled dead and hit your door. That's why I say about some of these folks are just lazy. If you don't want your vehicle messed up, why would you sit up there and leave that shopping cart knowing the wind is blowing, because we supposed to get some bad weather today? So the wind is blowing really, really hard. Knowing the buggy gonna roll, but they too lazy. People is a trip. They is a stone trip. But I hope y'all having a blessed day. I'm trying to make it home. They said the weather's supposed to be bad about from 6 to 10. So of course we on alert for strong winds, tornadoes, and hell, I think what them folks said. But y'all pray for us. Pray for everybody who's in that path of this weather. Okay, family, I made a little pit stop at Walgreens because hubby needs some deodorant. I needed some. So I rolled my $4 register reward from week before last, the two $4 register reward and the $5 register reward, to get some deodorant. And I bought a case of water. Fam, that is a great deal. After I did my roll my register rewards plus my digitals that came off, with that $4 register reward that I got back, that made that deodorant $8 for 3 Old Spice deodorant. Y'all know how much it is, and I'm gonna break it down when I get to the house. And 1 Secret deodorant. That's 4 deodorant. My subtotal was $39 before I put in my phone number. I paid $12 out of pocket, and with getting that can't even talk. Getting that register reward back, that made it $8. $8. So I'm gonna break it down when I get to the house. Okay, fam, I done made it home. This is what I got at Walgreens. They have it this week on the Old Spice, Gillette, and Secret. Buy one, get one 50% off. So my husband was in need of some deodorant, and me too. So I just got that since I had a $3 off one digital. But this was a great deal. I rolled those register rewards that I had from last week onto this right here to lower my out of pocket. So I had a 5 off 3 digital on the app, but it didn't come off. The $3 digital came off. I don't know why, but it still worked out to be a great deal. Really great deal, because one of these cost $9. Yes, $9 by itself. Regular price. That's high. So I had a 3 off digital that came off. Plus I rolled my registry rewards for this. I had a 3 off digital that came off of here along with the registry reward. Plus I bought a 24 pack of water just in case, since my registry rewards wasn't working last week, as that young lady said, but that's neither here nor there. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see, of course, they're going to always bring up the highest price. They're going to make you pay for that highest price when it comes to the 50% off. But one of these was $9.99. The other one was $8.49, or what is that? Yes, $8.49. And then one of the Old Spice was $4.24. That's half price. And the Secret, I got that for $4.39. That's half price because it's part of the deal. These are the digitals that came off. I had a 3 off digital that came off, a 3 off digital that came off. The $5 and the two $4, those are my registry reward for last week. I paid $12.10 out of pocket, fam, for these. Remember, my subtotal was $39. But I paid $12.10 out of pocket. But I got back a $4 registry reward, which means I only paid for these 4 deodorants plus my case of water $8.10. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. And remember, fam, roll these register rewards for what you need in your house. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. I got $4 register reward to roll on to something else. Bye-bye.